Use a compression cap on the shutoff valve to seal the supply line and prevent leaks while replacing a toilet. Begin by shutting off the water at the existing shutoff valve and flushing the toilet to drain as much water as possible. Remove any remaining supply line and dry the valve threads with a clean cloth so sealant will adhere. Apply a small amount of thread sealant tape or pipe thread compound to the male threads of the valve in the direction of the threads so it will not unwrap when you screw on the cap. Choose a brass compression cap sized for 3/8 inch outside diameter supply tubing because brass resists corrosion and deforms less than softer metals. Hand thread the cap onto the valve until it is snug. Then use an adjustable wrench to turn it an additional 1/4 turn to seat the compression ring and compress the ferrule for a tight seal. After installing the cap, turn the shutoff valve back on very slowly and observe the cap and valve base for any sign of seepage for at least 5 minutes. If you see moisture, tighten the cap another 1/4 turn and recheck. Common mistakes include failing to dry the threads first, which prevents the sealant from bonding properly. So always wipe the threads clean and dry before applying tape or compound. Another frequent issue is over-tightening the cap, which can damage the valve stem or deform the ferrule. If you meet significant resistance, stop and back off a 1/4 turn because a proper seal only needs a snug plus a 1/4 turn. A third concern is using the wrong cap size or material which may not compress correctly. Verify you have a 3/8 inch outside diameter brass compression cap and inspect the ferrule for correct seating when you tighten. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors for jobs like toilet replacement and to help contractors find work in their service area. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and professionals share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot plumbing tasks together.